The government, in collaboration with the private sector, is stepping up promotion of consumption of locally made products in efforts to support the manufacturing sector. Industry Principal Secretary Dr. Juma Mukhwana further says that a multi-agency team has been tasked with fighting contraband goods in renowned efforts to get rid of counterfeits and substandard products.
Among Kenyans for imported goods remains the main challenge for local industries. Manufacturers and policymakers are concerned about increasing proliferation of basic products such as toothpicks imported from other countries, which are taking away jobs that could be supporting local households. The government says it is addressing this through policy review.
One of the things that we'll be looking at is how to look at our taxation, both for the raw materials and the finished products, so that we can encourage more manufacturing of locally made wires. Because if we do that, then we'll be able to generate employment for our young people. We generate a lot of value for people, and also because they pay taxes, will improve our tax base and also create employment for young people, and then that will promote the kind of economic growth that we are looking at.
In addition, he says a multi-agency team is stepping up the fight against counterfeits to, among others, support the local manufacturing sector.
We are going to work within a multi-agency team that will bring together the anti-counterfeit agency, KEPS, KRA, so that we are able to fight this menace. Because counterfeits, they are not safe, they endanger, especially if we are dealing with electrical goods, they can burn down somebody's house, so it's not safe.
The PS made his remarks during a tour of the East African cables. Juma Mukhwana for Prime Edition.